What's going on, guys? It is Jezzi, and I'm back with another video. So, I'm gonna do like a how do I trade type of video. So, I'm gonna make like a live example. As you can see, this is a live market. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh the page. This is a live stock market. It's Monday, 11:40 a.m. I'm on NASDAQ. I'm gonna show you how I trade. So, first of all, I just want to say before it happens, I think price is going to come down. Price is going to work its way down. How do I know that? So there's a lot of different strategies to trading, and what strategies work for some people aren't going to work for you. By the way, I bought 443 puts. So we're just going to wait for the notification. Okay. So there's a lot of different strategies to trade, but like the main what I use is support and resistance and then levels. Like there's a lot of different levels with trading. Like support and resistance areas create levels. So like if you're new to like charts and everything, you're like, what the hell do all these lines mean? These are my support, these are my strong support and resistance zones. So I did take one trade earlier, and I'll talk about it later in my um trade recap or trade analysis, but I'm just doing this for right now. So this is like how I trade, and I'm gonna take you through why I think it's going to come down. So, all right, if you see here, this is acting as a very strong demand zone, but this is also a previous very strong resistance zone. Price was struggling to break this. It was using it as support. It did break it. It got caught here at this support. Now it's using this previous support zone as a very strong resistance. I can't really like explain certain things without like being face to face with you and drawing it out, but think of it as like a magnet. You know how like you know how when you take a the same side of a magnet and push them together, they like there's a field, like a magnetic field that pushes them away. Think of support and resistance like that. Like when there isn't a strong enough buy, the magnetic field of that resistance is forcing it down. It's like forcing it down, and it needs a stronger magnet, aka it needs a lot more sellers to actually break that resistance. So as you can see, like sellers are stepping in. I'm gonna check my Thinkorswim because I have a live. Yeah, so right now it's 14.7 million sellers versus 3.7 million buyers. There is not nearly enough buyers to break this magnetic field, or aka resistance. So how do I know that this is a strong resistance for this now? Because if you look at it in a bigger picture, big moves have retests. If you see here, this move had two retests. Boom, boom. But caught at this resistance, caught at this resistance. And if you see previously, like right before the big drop, there the price used this resistance zone as a support. Came up, hit this level, dropped. Same thing here. It used this level as a support, broke it, retested, uses it now as a resistance. You can see it's repeating the same pattern every day. Who knows? It could possibly actually buyers could step in and break this resistance. But with the information that I have, I know that's not going to happen. So price is going to come down, as I said previously, to around, and this is my take profit here. This is my take profit. This is my like stop loss, like above this right here. So I'm gonna stop the video and I'm going to pick it back up when price hits my take profit so you guys can see that I am not BSing and this is real. What is, well, this is still the same video, but not even what I first recorded this first part of the video in at like 11:41, so what, a little less than 20 minutes later, does exactly as I say. Um Price is getting caught up around here, but you can see because this is a lot of previous this is like, remember how I was explaining like the magnetic force type of analogy? Like that is like a lot of force. But so it's been like struggling to break this level of resist support, but as you can see here, if it just ticks down a little more, and I don't even need the extra dollar or whatever, so I'm gonna go to my thinkorswim and sell my contracts. Okay. Oh, wow. Perfect timing. So and as you can see, tradingview.com, refresh yes, I'm going to reload the site. Live stock market. This is not fake. This is 100% real. And that is how I trade. I trade using support and resistance and key levels. My like best advice for trading is like just to keep trying because you're not gonna like get any better without failing. Like I remember in the beginning, like I lost like a decent amount of money before I actually like had an idea of what I do. There's no course or no person that can teach you to be profitable right away. There's people who can teach you, there's people who can lead you in the right direction the first day you meet them, like my mentor, but like they can only teach you so much. You have to put in the work yourself. That's all I'm saying. Like failure is the best teacher in this trade. Failure is will teach you the most lessons. That's all I'm gonna say. So if you are ever interested, just make an account on Weeble because Thinkorswim is kind of confusing. Weeble, I recommend Weeble, but yeah. So I just wanted to make this little video to show whoever watches these videos, and if you click on this video, that this ain't a joke. Your boy can trade for real. Um, so I'll post my trade analysis video later today. This was my second, no, this is my third trade of the day. I caught this drop, and then I caught this, and then right in front of your eyes, I just caught this. So, um, yeah, that's the video for right now. Have a good day. I'll see you later.